Meaning of heavily.
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 Heavily. The term heavily describes the degree of intensity or weight that a particular action, object, or substance possesses. It indicates that something is done in an excessive, forceful, or abundant manner, or that a material is dense and solid. Used to modify verbs, adjectives, or adverbs, heavily implies that a person or thing has been affected by an overwhelming amount of something. For instance, someone who heavily invests in stocks may experience either great profit or loss. In short, heavily emphasizes the extent or intensity of an action or thing.